Lose weight without the hassle of counting calories with the Total Choice, a free customized plan I developed with Dr. Mike Roizen and nutritionist Kristen Kirkpatrick of the Cleveland Clinic. Choose from over 100 recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, midday snacks, and even dessert. You can choose meals that add up to the perfect calorie count every day. We know because we did the counting for you. There are two options to the Total Choice plan: a 1,200 calorie per day track and a 1,600 calorie per day track. Not sure of which one to choose? Go to DrOz.com and take the quiz to find out which plan is the right fit for you. Once you know what track to follow, you can find everything else you need for the Total Choice. Recipes, guides, tips, and more, only on DrOz.com. We'll save lives today.
You guys ready to get healthy?